Okay, I just wanted to make this small video because I know so many people have issues with purple textures. So if you have a purple texture and you're in a recent Unity version, it surely means that you are in URP or HGAP and the material you're using, for example, if you imported an asset from the asset store, is using the previous what is called built-in renderer. So what you have to do is to just go on the materials of this object. So usually you just have a material folder. You select all your materials, then you go to edit, rendering, material, and convert selected built-in to renderer. It will compile the shader for this new version of Unity, and as you can see, it fixed the issue. One of the things you can do if you have, let's say, this issue like everywhere, for example, you imported an entire game from a previous version, is go to Window, Rendering, and then Rendering Pipeline Converter. So you have multiple possibilities, but usually we use this one. And basically, you can activate everything and then initialize the converter and then convert. It will convert all the previous settings and materials and shaders you had in previous versions of Unity and convert them to the new version. So yeah, if you have issues related to Unity, please feel free to use this. If you find this video helpful, you can leave a like and a comment. If you have issues, you can leave a comment. I will try to help you. And yeah, bye bye.